Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 GR86. The Toyota GR86 sports car will be sure to turn heads with its dashing good looks. Getting behind the wheel will keep you begging for more. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, power windows. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.